Hello again, yet Motor Radical. Today I'm going to show you quickly how to fit our exhaust header guards. Yeah, it protects your exhaust. Yeah, I just think it really looks cool. So I'm just going to show you how to fit it. It can fit on any bike really. What you'll get in the box is this. So you can remove it. In the package you get 4 clamps, stainless steel clamps. Oops. Okay. And 2 of these header guards. We've designed it in such a way that you can bend it and twist it and break off where you need. I've measured already. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it from here where the catalytic converter pickup sits here. I'm going to bring it all the way down. There's another pipe that runs across that way. So I'm going to fit it on here on this piece here. And yeah, it protects this part of the exhaust, but like I said, I think it really looks cool. So I've pre-measured this. I need to take 4 of these off, so I'm only going to use that part there, and then I'll bend it to follow the shape of the exhaust. I'll put my clamps on, and you see what it looks like. So it's easy enough. You just break it off there. You can then bend it, twist it as you need. Okay, like that. I'm going to be fitting it in there, over there, so I need to bend it a little bit more. Okay, so like that. It's going to go in there. Okay, so I need to fit my 2 hose clamps. Need a screwdriver. I've also got a 10 socket just to tighten it properly at the end. Loosen just open the clamp. I'll put it over and just enter it. So I need to get the header guard into that. Just get it to catch. There you go. Okay, and we've made these slots there. As you can see it, the clamp sits nicely in there. When you tighten it, it doesn't move around or fall off or slide off. Okay, so in goes your header guard over the clamp. Oh, there, I'm just wrong spot there. Let me just open it up again. Okay, so there I'm over this side, nicely over that side. I'll just place it where I want it nicely. Okay, and I'll fasten this one. Okay, it looks good. Don't over tighten, you're going to strip it. I'll take my next clamp. Okay, so I'm going to put the top here. Get nice in there. Get it to enter. Okay, I'll just turn it so that these 2 sit nicely in line. Tighten up nice and tight. Okay, there we go. Exhaust header guard fitted. So any stones shooting up here will protect it a little bit from that. And also I think, yeah, it just gives you that extra roughness on the bike. Looks really nice. Okay, cool.